How much will it cost to lift and level my sunken concrete?
We believe that concrete raising should be a very economical solution to sunken concrete. With Acme Concrete Raising and Repair, you can expect lifting your concrete should cost about half that of replacement or less. However, this is not always the case with companies that provide other services like waterproofing, sealing, power washing, things like that. Commissioned salespeople have an agenda. Before even arriving at your home, these salespeople have the goal of upselling you. The more they sell you, the more they make. These are services that may sound great at the time, only later for you to realize you probably spent too much. Acme Concrete Raising and Repair never sends a commissioned salesperson to do your estimate. Our estimators are all certified installers. These people know how to raise concrete, so they can properly and accurately evaluate your job and give you an estimate that makes sense. Remember, estimates are always free, and with Acme, there's no pressure, no hassle. We hope to hear from you soon.